The quest begins with selecting the ideal potatoes. But not just potatoes will suffice. McDonald's only uses russet Burbank potatoes for their fries. These aren't your typical potatoes. They were chosen for their distinct characteristics, making them ideal for frying. These potatoes are chosen not just because they taste nice, but also because they can maintain their growing quality and texture even when mass-produced for fast meals. Consider the United States, where russet Burbank potatoes are a popular choice, and the majority of McDonald's contractors are from there, thanks to the ideal potato-growing climate. Now you can observe how potatoes are dug from the earth using heavy-duty, all-in-one machinery. Inside these machines, specialized tools clean the potatoes, eradicating any dirt. This process continues until all of the potatoes are gathered. All of these potatoes are then gathered and stored in one area. This allows them to be rapidly removed when necessary, ensuring that processing never stops. You'd be shocked at how many potatoes there are here. Believe it or not a single potato goes bad. They are all consumed within 15 days. A major reason for this is that McDonald's produces around 9 million pounds of French fries per day. When these potatoes are sent to the factory as needed, the true magic begins. Let us take you inside the plant where you can observe French fries being prepared. First up, we arrived at the potato washing station. The potatoes are placed into cleaning basins filled with water. Because of the vibrating belts, the fast-flowing water easily removes dirt from the potatoes. Following a complete wash, a portion control elevator takes the potatoes from the water and transports them to another belt. This belt gradually collects the potatoes in a container-like hose before sending small batches to the peeling machines for additional cleaning. The peeling procedure is extremely sensitive, ensuring that only the skin is taken while losing no part of the potato. After the potatoes have been peeled and cleaned, they are transported via belts to the third washing room. The last wash is performed with water containing chlorine and safe chemicals. These potatoes, having been freshly washed and prepared, are subsequently transported by belts for special treatments. What you're seeing, all these tall units, are fine cutting chambers. They expertly slice the peeling potatoes into uniform pieces. This explains why McDonald's fries are always the same shape and length. Their machines are precise and effective. The devices propel the potatoes at 60 to 70 mph using high-pressure water knives. Finally, these water knives slice the potatoes into thin strips, which are then sorted according to size and shape. After being sliced, the fries are washed and then loaded into an automatic elevator. This directs them to the boiler for the next phase in their quest to become the perfect fries. Sometimes the cut fries are treated with a mixture of sugar and sodium pyrophosphate. For two reasons. The sugar helps the fries reach the correct golden brown color when fried. Sodium pyrophosphate, on the other hand, prevents fries from turning gray or brown, whether cooked or frozen. The real reason they're boiling is to soften the inside of the fries so that when they're fried, they're crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. The fries proceed directly to the boiling. Any broken or malformed fries stay in the belts, while perfectly shaped fries pass through to the boiling chamber. They're fried to 50% to preserve their quality, flavor, and freshness from the inside out. This procedure also removes some water and starch from the fries, resulting in a light crust. They're fried in a mixture of canola, corn, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil. This blend is healthy because it has no trans fats or cholesterol. After the fries are half fried, they are removed with an elevator and allowed to air dry. This normally takes around 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, any remaining oil dries up, leaving the crispy, half-cooked fries ready for packing. Half-cooked fries are frozen quickly in a special freezer tunnel. This maintains their flavor and texture exactly right. Freezing them promptly is essential to ensure that they all appear the same and can be stored without spoiling. Potatoes deteriorate quickly once peeled or cooked. After that, the fries are loaded into cold trucks or storage chambers and ready to be delivered to restaurants. Cutting onions appears to be the most difficult part of cooking, right? It's the reason half of us are afraid to start cooking. But what if we told you you could skip that difficult process entirely? These machines are so efficient that no matter how you lay the onion, they'll figure it out, set it perfectly, and then, using a belt that looks like a series of molds, make peeling and chopping a breeze. First, tools for removing the rough outer layer grasp onto the onion and quickly peel it away. Look how clean and neatly peeled these onions are now, owing to these amazing machines. After a manual quality check to ensure that no bad onions make it through, they are sent to be sliced. This manual check is critical. If there is a bad one, it can be caught and deleted manually. All of these onions are packed and frozen after being sliced with extreme precision, ready to aid you in the kitchen. Do not worry if you wish to finish the work without touching the fish. These devices will handle everything for you. You will not need to touch them at all. These pre-programmed devices precisely seal a certain amount of fish into packages. These machines rarely make mistakes. To say they never do would be an exaggeration. They do make mistakes, but only at a 0.01% rate because they are tested more than 100 times before being used in manufacturing. Imagine a world where apples, with their vibrant color and crisp texture, embark on a fascinating journey of transformation. These machines, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, possess an extraordinary vision system. They can swiftly detect and separate the perfect apples from those that might not make the cut. The good apples, free from blemishes and imperfections, glide gently along the conveyor belt, each one destined for a glorious fate. These smooth, flawless fruits will eventually be transformed into apple puree, a versatile ingredient used in everything from sauces to desserts, adding a rich, sweet flavor to countless dishes. The process is nothing short of mesmerizing. As the apples pass through, the skin is removed with precision, and the remaining fruit is sent to be pureed. The discarded skins are not wasted. They are diverted to another part of the factory, where they are repurposed, often ending up as feed for dairy cows. This process ensures that no part of the apple is left unused, contributing to a more sustainable, efficient system. Meanwhile, on another line, a different kind of magic is happening. Enter the world of pancakes. Welcome to one of the largest and most renowned automated pancake making systems in existence. Here, machines take over every step of the process, from the first pour of batter to the perfectly stacked golden brown pancakes ready for packaging. As the batter flows seamlessly into molds, the machines ensure that each pancake is the same size, thickness, and consistency. The molds move gracefully through a high-tech oven, where the pancakes are cooked evenly to a mouth-watering golden hue. Another set of machines carefully picks them up, one by one, and stacks them with precision. The stacked pancakes are neatly organized, ready to be packaged, sealed, and shipped out to breakfast tables around the world. From apples becoming puree to pancakes perfectly stacked and ready for breakfast, this automation not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures that every product meets the highest standards of quality, flavor, and consistency. And that's a wrap on the McDonald's French fries megafactory. If you're amazed by the process, like, comment, and subscribe for more food production secrets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.